In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide, unhide, and group rows and columns in Google Sheets on desktop. First, open your Google Sheets document on your computer. This walkthrough is perfect when you want to simplify what you're looking at, focus on a subset of data, or create a cleaner view for presentations without deleting anything. To hide something, start by selecting it. For a row, click its number along the left edge. For a column, click its letter at the top. With that row number or column letter highlighted, right-click directly on it. In the menu that appears, choose Hide Row or Hide Column. The selection will disappear from view, but don't worry, your data is still there, and any formulas that reference those cells will continue to work. You'll notice the row or column labels will skip a number or letter where the hidden content sits, which is a good visual confirmation that it's hidden rather than deleted. When you need to bring it back, look for the hidden indicator. Google Sheets shows a thicker line between the visible row numbers or column letters where the hidden content lives. Hover your cursor over that thick divider. Then right-click and choose Unhide Row or Unhide Column. The hidden content will reappear exactly where it was, with all your data intact. Now let's talk about grouping, which is great for organizing sections you want to expand or collapse together repeatedly. Select the rows or columns you want to group. You can click and drag across multiple row numbers or column letters to highlight a range. If it helps, hold Shift and click the first and last labels in your range to select everything in between. Once your selection is set, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Group Rows or Group Columns. After grouping, you'll see a small plus icon appear, on the left for grouped rows or above the sheet for grouped columns. Click that icon to collapse the group, and click it again to expand. Grouping is especially useful when you have sections like monthly breakdowns, regional totals, or detail rows that you only need occasionally. Unlike a simple hide, grouping gives you a clear control to toggle sections on and off as you work, and it signals structure to anyone else viewing the file. That's all you need to streamline your sheets. Hide to temporarily remove clutter, unhide when you're ready to see it again, and group when you want a flexible toggle for whole sections.